Hello everyone, welcome back to PythaVibes YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to write a program to check whether a given number is Armstrong number or not. So, what exactly are Armstrong numbers? An Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. For example, let's take the number 153. So, we have individual digits like 1, 5, 3. So, now if we cube each of these digits, we will get 1 cube, 2, 5 cube and 3 cube. And if we add them up, we will get 1 plus 125 plus 27. So this will sum up to 153. If we observe, we have taken original number as 153, and after finding these cubes of these numbers, and if we add it, we are getting 153, and the resultant as well as the original number both are equal. So we can say that these numbers are Armstrong numbers. Let's get started. So here I have already defined a function called is Armstrong number, and I'll be passing an input to this. Right now I have passed 153 as my input, and let me find the length of the digits in this number. So for that, firstly I will convert that input number into a string, and then I'll use the len function and I'll find the length of the numbers. So length of the number is nothing but the number of digits. So we have 3 digits, right? So we will get the same, and then I'll be taking this input whatever I have passed into a temp variable, and to hold the sum of these cubes of each digit, I'm initiating one variable called s equal to 0. S, maybe we can consider it as Armstrong sum. So while this temp is greater than 0, I'll be extracting each digit, individual digit, by using the modulus operator. Digit equal to 10 percentile 10 will gives me the individual digits in this number, and after that I'll be taking this sum equals to plus equals to this digit whatever I have extracted raised to the power of the length of original number, and then I'll be making this temp as temp equals to temp slash 10, and then at the end I'll be checking whether this original number equals to the sum of this all these digits raised to the length of the original number. So if these are equal, then I will say it as written this number is an Armstrong number, else is not a number, is not an Armstrong number. So let me check it once. I have saved it and running it. 153 is an Armstrong number. Let me give 123. So 123 is not an Armstrong number. So let me explain what is happening when we pass 153 as our input number. So the 153 will be coming as an input here. Number n is 1, 2, 3, and then we are converting into a string and then finding the length of the digits in this original number. So we have 3 digits, so length will be 3 here, and temp will be 153 because we are storing into temp variable, and sum of these digits is initially will be 0, and later I'll be using while loop here. The temp variable will be holding 153 for the first loop, and then I'll be finding the digit. When we use the modulus, we will get 3 as our result. So digit will be 3, and then here the sum will be, digit is 3, so and we got length as 3, so 3 cube we need to find, and that would be our sum variable value. So we got 27 as our sum, and then we are making the temp to floor division by 10, so then temp will become 15, and we got 15 as our temp, and it will check whether temp 15 is greater than 0 or not. Yes, it is greater than 0, and then we are extracting this digit here, and we will find 5 cube, and we will sum up to this 125 would be our 5 cube value, and when we add these two values we will get 152, and then temp will be 1, and we are checking whether this 1 is greater than 0 or not. Yes, it is greater than 0, and digit will be 1, and we need to find out 1 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1 only. So we will do 1 plus 152 would become 153, and temp will be 0. And this time 0 is greater than 0 or not? No, it is not. So it will come out of this loop, and then we are checking here what is the value in S. We have 153, and the value we passed it as a original number is 153. So we are checking whether this 153 equals to this sum 153. If it is, then we can say it as a Armstrong number, else we will get as it's not an Armstrong number. This is how we are writing the program to check a given number is a Armstrong number or not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting programming content. Happy coding. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.